Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing one of my all-time favorite recipes, coconut stuffed sweet dumplings, also known as Thengai Poorna Kozhukkattai in Tamil. So without further delay, let's get started with the recipe. I am using idiyappam flour, which is nothing but rice flour. For this recipe, we need 2 cups of it. Start by boiling enough water until it reaches 100 degrees Celsius. In a mixing bowl, add the rice flour along with the required amount of salt. Then slowly add the boiling water little by little while stirring it with a ladle. Keep stirring until the flour is evenly moistened. We are aiming for a soft dough, so don't pour all the water at once. Once done, cover the dough and let it rest for 10 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the stuffings. Take half cup of roasted Bengal gram and grind it into a slightly coarse powder. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of grated coconut, the powdered Bengal gram, 1 cup of jaggery and a pinch of cardamom powder. Mix everything well. Finally, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of hot ghee. This not only gives a wonderful aroma but also helps the stuffing bind together. Set it aside. Now back to the dough. While it is still warm, knead the dough well, adding a tablespoon of sesame oil. Kneading it while warm ensures the outer layer remains soft and does not crack during steaming. The dough should be smooth and pliable, and you should be able to roll it into a ball easily. Now grease an idli plate with a little ghee. This is optional. Take a big lemon-sized portion of dough. Roll it into a ball. Then flatten it gently using your palm, as shown in the video. Add the stuffing in the center and carefully seal the dumpling. Traditionally, we prepare the dough by soaking raw rice, grinding it, and then cooking it to form a soft dough. I have already shared that method on my channel. I will provide the link in the description box for your reference. This is a special recipe that brings back so many memories. My mom used to make it often as an evening snack, and now I am making it for my daughter, and she absolutely loves it. I believe this is one of those timeless recipes that will be passed down through generations. Place the dumplings and steam them for 10 minutes. You can use any steamer you have. And that's it. Our delicious and healthy coconut stuffed dumplings are ready. Once I finished all the stuffing, I usually make plain rice flour balls with the leftover dough. We love to eat them just like that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes and travel vlogs. Thanks for watching.